we're off on another adventure today. I'm going to take you along the ride, try to do another vlog type of journal thing. We're off to Niagara-on-the-lake. So we have Mandy, Zeba, and Eleni all coming to pick me up. So first we're going to go take some photos in this lovely snow that we have. So I'll take you along for that and I can show you how we're going to do that. We might freeze a little bit, but you got to do what you got to do sometimes. And then we're heading to Niagara-on-the-lake to stay at the Oaks Hotel, and then doing some fun stuff along the way for that. So yeah, stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys everything along the way. And yeah, that's about it. I'm just going to finish getting ready because I'm already behind and now I'm starting to do this, which is probably silly. But stay tuned and I'll show you guys everything along the way. Now just waiting for the girls to get here, and there is so much snow, so I don't think we're going to have very much fun taking photos out here, but I'll show you what how we're going to do that all. And I think Scotchy's a little... Are you upset that I'm leaving? I'll be back. Oh, I don't think he likes the GoPro. Sorry, bud. We just finished taking some photos in this blizzard. I was going to tape it, but it was too cold. And now we're packing everything up. This is our suitcase, or well, suitcases in the car. This is how we're trying to pack everything in, because we're talented that way.
Yes, we are.
Mandy is the ultimate packer. For our room, we have all these really cute goodies, which I won't lie, I'm very excited to see what's inside. And our itinerary of the beautiful beds, TV, fireplace. We got a Zeba. Mandy, and this might be Mandy and I's favorite thing right now. We got all the chips.
Yes.
Like, I will eat all 3 of those bags.
No, I'm gonna fight you.
I get these 3, you get these 3.
Fine.
Mandy's gonna eat them all.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
And then we have a bathroom, which is super cute, with like a marble floor, coffee, and there's a TV in the bathroom. We just made it to our first stop. We're walking into Peller's. So we're gonna go do a little wine tour. Oh, that door doesn't open. And, oh, thank you. And yeah, we'll do a little wine tour and have some sampling. We have started our wine tour. I'm back here with Zeba.
Yeah, I can't feel my
Mandy's a little cold, but she looks really pretty.
Oh, thanks.
You all look great. You all
Like a furry animal.
You're a furry animal.
Anything else, really? Look for a barrel cellar. Yeah. And they don't have to. So you guys can come up and...
Don't think I showed you guys before, but this is our driver for all the different wine tours. We made her second stop. We're at Gretzky's. So they have this huge outdoor ice skating rink, and then the ski bar, which is what we're going to do right now, and I am so excited. So we're now on the ice rink. It's hard to see with all this snow, but we're going. We got Mandy back there. Where is she? Here. Hello. We got Eleni. I think she stopped skating. She's just playing on her phone.
Zeba's just
And then Zeba, we got down there too. I don't think any of us knows how to skate, and it's like a snowstorm right now. Just had dinner. Everyone's obviously Instagramming right now. And they started off with a complimentary glass of sparkling wine with the beet salad. Mandy's salad actually was really pretty as well. Oh, I think Eleni got the same thing as I did. And then Zeba got a Caesar salad.
crazy.
So it's hard to see, but I got the mushroom ragu, which is actually placed in acorn squash, it's called, and then there's rice at the bottom and veggies. This looks amazing. We made it to the spa this morning, so this is our relaxation room before we're gonna go get our mani and pedis done. So they have fireplace, apples, there's people, water, coffee, tea, a whole bunch of things just to get you relaxed for the morning. Okay, so we just got our breakfast, and Mandy and I got the eggs Benedict. Eleni got an omelet, and Sarah got some avocado toast.